everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose x and y are positive such that 1 over x plus 9 over y equals 1. You're asked to find the minimum value of x plus y. This question is truly for beginner in AMGM inequality. Let's give it a try and check your answer after that. Since 1 over x plus 9 over y equals to 1, there are many such xy. We can try for some possible xy. We know that 1 is equals to half plus half. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3, 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4, and so on and so forth. If xy equals 2 and 18, then 1 over x plus 9 over y equals a half plus 9 over 18. That's another half, so it's 1. So in this case, x plus y equals 2 plus 18 equals to 20. So naturally we ask, is this 20 the minimum value? You can try for another fraction, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3, 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Some students, they use AMGN inequality in this way. You say 1 equals to x plus 9 over y. Using AMGN inequality, this is greater than equals to 2, the square root of 1 over x, and 9 over y. And this is equals 6 over square root of xy. From here, square root of xy is greater than or equals to 6. X plus y, using AMGN inequality again, this is greater than or equals to 2 square root of xy. So this is greater than or equals to 12. When people reach this step, then they conclude that the maximum of x plus y equals to 12. Is that true? Definitely not, because we need to see that when can the equality holds. So there are two inequalities involved. So for the first one, we need 1 over x equals 9 over y. And for the second one, x equals y. And this contradict to each other, because when x equals to y, then this will mean that 1 over x equals to 9 over x, meaning that 1 equals to 9. Obviously, this is not correct. And this means that the equalities never holds for both of them. And therefore, 12 is never the maximum value. We'll use this trick as x plus y is equals to x plus y times 1. But 1 equals to 1 over x plus 9 over y. So expand this. This will be 1. This will be a 9. And x times 9 over y is 9x over y. Y times 1 over x is y over x. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And for this, we can use AMGM inequality that is greater than or equals to 2 square root of 9x over y over x. And this will give me 10 plus 2, 3, 16. When the equality holds, equality holds only if 9x over y equals to y over x. And since eventually both equals to 2 times 3, meaning that each one must be equals to a 3. So from here it means that y equals to 3x. So sub into the previous condition, 1 over x plus 9 over y. Now 9 over 3x equals to 1. So that is a 3 over x. So 4 over x equals 1. X equals to 4. And y equals to 12. If xy equals to 4, 12, 1 over x plus 9 over y equals 1 over 4 plus 9 over 12. That is 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. And that is 1. And also, x plus y in this case will be 4 plus 12, that is 16. Which means that the maximum of x plus y is indeed equal 16. Of course, for those who have learned Cauchy inequality, we can get this answer directly. X plus y, 1 over x plus 9 over y will be greater equals to 1 plus 3 squared. And this is equals to 1, so meaning that x plus y will be greater equals to 16. Equality holds if and only if x over 1 over x, that is x squared, equals y over 9 over y, meaning that y squared over 9, which means that x equals to y over 3. The same conclusion, xy equals to 4 and 12. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.